Boeing is preparing to expand 737 MAX production in a way we haven't seen in years. And this time, it's not just about building more aircraft. Boeing is opening a brand new production line in Everett, called the North Line, to increase output and stabilize the program. This move could determine how quickly Boeing clears its massive backlog, and whether it can rebuild trust with regulators and airlines. For decades, Boeing has built the 737 in Renton, Washington. That factory has produced thousands of aircraft. It remains the backbone of the entire program. But now, things are changing. With the end of 747 production in Everett, Boeing suddenly has something new: space. And it's using that space to open a brand new 737 MAX production line. This facility is known as the North Line. And this is a big shift. For the first time ever, the 737 will be assembled outside Renton. That tells you how urgent this expansion really is. Here's why it matters. Before the pandemic, Boeing was producing around 52 aircraft per month. After the 737 MAX crisis, production dropped sharply. At one point, it fell below 20 aircraft per month. Now, Boeing is slowly rebuilding. Today, production is at about 31 aircraft per month. The long-term goal is clear: reach 50 aircraft per month, or more. And that's where the North Line becomes critical. This facility will be able to build all 737 MAX variants. That includes the 737-8, the 737-9, and the delayed 737-10. But Boeing is not rushing this process. Instead, it will begin with low-rate initial production, also known as LRIP. During LRIP, production is intentionally slow. This allows teams to test every step, to identify issues early, and to fix them before scaling up. The first aircraft built on this line will serve another purpose. They will be used to demonstrate compliance with the Federal Aviation Administration. And that's critical. Because after recent production and safety concerns, every move Boeing makes is under close scrutiny. There's also an important change behind the scenes. Boeing is introducing a new 737 wing transport tool. This system will move partially completed wings to Everett for final assembly. It's a key logistical upgrade, and it supports this new production model. At the same time, Boeing is investing heavily in its workforce. The North Line will include experienced workers from Renton and Everett, alongside newly hired employees. This combination is important. It helps maintain quality, while also allowing production to scale safely. And that's really the bigger story here. This is not just about increasing output, it's about rebuilding trust. Because Boeing still has a backlog of more than 4,000 unfilled 737 MAX orders. Airlines are waiting, passengers are watching, and regulators are paying attention. So the success of this new line really matters. The question is simple: can Boeing increase production without repeating the mistakes of the past? Thanks for spending your valuable time here. Consider subscribing to Runway Reports. See you in the next video.